Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. My name is Nadia. Thank you so much for tuning in today. For today, as you can read the title, today we're gonna create this smoky eye. We're going to play with color. We're gonna just chat a little bit, and you guys gonna pick up one or two things that has changed in my makeup routine. I've updated so much and I've been learning so much, so hopefully you guys will learn with me. You will stay tuned to watch until the end of this video. So guys, I went ahead and did my eyebrow. If you want to see an update on how I'm doing my eyebrow, you can go on my Instagram. I have like a real video there that is showing what product I'm using and everything I'm using. But I am going to make a video and showing you guys how I do my eyebrow, how I change it every day and stuff like that. But I went ahead and did that because I didn't want this video to be long basically. And guys, you know, editing is really not my strength. I edit by myself, I do everything by myself, so I feel like I do the best that I can so far. But the more we get into this, so the more we're gonna be better, you know, the more we do more, you get better and stuff like that. So, and for this eyes, the eyes I'm going to do today is basically not much, so I don't really need the base that much, but I'm used to do just base. And I love this little brush of mine. It's perfect for my eyelid and it helps me a lot to blend in any foundation on the eyes, any concealers. It gets the job done. Look at that, it blends it perfectly. And then I'm going to go with my beauty blender and blend it together now. Do you see that? A lot of people, they don't care about the eyelid that much, like the base of it. And I feel like if your base is perfect, I feel like everything will look nice. So I'm going to set it. I like to set mine. Do what you feel like is good for you. This is what it does for me. I set mine. I don't like creasing. Basically, the powder is gonna act as my first transition color on a eyeliner. Basically, that's the one I'm going to pack on my lid to start with. I never do a smoky eye here, so I decided why not. Do you see how this is so dark? And I'm using this little brush just so I can get the angle that I need. So I'm going to build this slowly by just blending it. The dark shade in there, Ron, this one, that's the one I'm gonna use. My palette is like finished, so don't. Okay, and we're going to blend this. Pretending that you like somebody else, like you got boys waiting in line to take you home. Okay, I'm gonna go in this palette, and I'm going to use the dark burgundy in here. This is by Juvia's palette because I want mine to be more of a burgundy. So I'm going to build it, right? I'm going to start like this and build it up. So this is gonna be my transition color. That's the smoky eyes I'm going in with. I wanna go with dark burgundy to the burgundy that I want, like that. See? Don't forget, don't lose any of the color that you're using. I just went and just keep building up the color that I was using, and then take just a natural brush and then go smooth the edges the way I want them, so you can just blend in together, all together like that. Always blend your edges anyway. Make sure you blend. That's the best. Like, smoky eyes is so easy, but you just have to figure out your technique, what you want to do with it, what color you're gonna add on top of it to just make it look nice and smooth. I don't like that much, but with smoky eyes, that's why it's a smoky eyes, right? It's supposed to be bold, dark, like smoky eyes. Anyway, we're gonna continue. Just I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo eye pencil, the white one. Like that, so I can just open my eyes more. And then we're going to go in this same palette that I was using before, and this is a brand new glue, guys. It was just in my car for a few minutes, for like 2 hours in the makeup bag, because I was going somewhere. I packed my makeup bag, and then when I wanted to do my hair, my lashes, my glue was frozen from the cold from my car when I was packing. Like, this is how cold Canada is. This is how Alberta cold it is. Like, it froze my glue. Like, my is all frozen. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, somebody explained to me how this happened. I don't know. So disappointed with that. Just waste my money, you know. it was a, like, when I say brand new, it was a brand new. Man, let's just do our eyelashes. So I'm just grabbing this glitter from MAC, and I'm just going to apply it over there, just like that, because I want my smoky eye to open up. I don't want it to just be dark and nothing on it. I just love the glitter, and you know, the beauty of glitters. I just find it very nice to me. So I know this is basically somebody out there saying, oh my god, that's a lot of makeup. I know, but this is what I felt to do today, and this is what I'm doing. This, if it's for you who don't like too much makeup, you cannot do the smoky eye in the dark. The dark smoky eye, you can actually do a burgundy smoky eye, just burgundy colors. You can do purple smoky eye, you can do neutral smoky eye. Basically, you can do with all the color a smoky eye that you feel like, as long as you build that color on top of each other, then it gets a little darker than usually what it is, and then you can see the definition on your eye. You're good to go. I wanted to do a black eyes today because I love the smoky eye with the old finished look. So guys, as you can see, I went ahead and put my lashes on, and I'm going to just put some mascara under eye on my lower lashes. Like, I love red red lipstick from MAC. This one is in a ruby, yeah, ruby who. I love this. Like, this is my fourth or fifth red lipstick, this red lipstick from there, and I always like finish it. I'm in love with this red lipstick, like there's no tomorrow. It's a perfect shade of red, like Valentine and stuff like that. This is a head. So I'm just getting my foundation, and I'm just cleaning around the lips, just like so. And then please guys, leave a comment below which one is you love. Like, this is a jumbo mist setting, and this is from Medifying Waterproof Setting Spray one. So I'm just gonna use this for now. Yeah, for today I'm just gonna use this as usual. But when I'm going to a party, when I'm doing my bride, when I'm doing a birthday party, glam, when I'm going somewhere and I know that I'm going to last long there, I usually use this. It's gonna set my makeup. Even if I'm wearing a mask, it's gonna stay on. It's not gonna move. My lip, like everything on me is really not gonna move. Even if you sweat a lot, or even if you're going to the gym and you did your makeup in the morning, you don't want to wash it out, you just set it with this, and when I'm telling you, it's gonna stay on. Like, I use this on my brides, and the whole day they're gonna go on, nothing is gonna move. They're gonna whew, feels so good. This feels so good. Cute. So I'm gonna put highlight on. I can do makeup without highlight. I'm going to use my Anastasia Glow Kid highlighter. I had two or three of these, and one broke. And trust me when I say, when one broke, I was so mad. Usually like that. Do you see that? Do you see that? That's what I wanted. I did not want too much, but again, this is a glow for night. This is a Smokey Eyes. Smokey Eye likes more of a nice set of highlight. So you can see, all done. The makeup and the hair all came out beautiful. I love this look. I'm in love with the smoky eye, the lips. I just love how everything turned out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. If you were inspired with this look, if you loved what I did and you would love to support me, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment. If you are inspired to do this look, please let me know in the comments. I would really love to see you guys creating this look somehow. And don't forget to follow me on my platform to watch until the end of this video. Please kindly don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you like it. Don't forget to like this video, please. My goal for this year is to reach to 10 k subscribers. So please guys, let's give this video a love, show it more love. Leave me comment below, what do you guys want to see me doing, and watch it when it's coming out. Thank you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Love you, and see you guys next video. Thank you.